Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gamitin ang Streamyard, lalo-lalo na sa mga baguhan sa pagla-live stream. So, this is for you. So, just keep on watching. Intro muna tayo, guys. So, let's start, guys. So, pupunta tayo sa browser. So, ang browser natin dito is Chrome. So, let's go for Chrome. Then, we will search for Streamyard. So, just type Streamyard. So, ayan guys. Kita nyo na dyan sa taas. Then, just click. Then guys, sa Streamyard, kailangan natin ng email. It's either Yahoo Mail or Gmail. So, ilalagay ko dito ang aking Gmail. Yan guys. So, make it sure guys, kapag naglagay kayo ng Gmail is correct kasi isi-send sa atin yung 6-digit code. So, get started. Then, try login. Login code. So, yan guys, kailangan natin ng 6-digit code. But make it sure guys na yung email na nilagay ninyo is active kasi doon isi-send ng Streamyard ang ating 6-digit code. So, just a moment, I will just check. Then, enter lang natin dito or type lang natin ang ating code. Yan. So, itong code na to guys is marireceive na natin doon sa email na nilagay natin kanina. Then, login. So, ayan guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa my broadcast. So, meron tayong past broadcast at saka yung broadcast. So, itong past broadcast, ito yung mga ginamit ko before for my live stream. So, nakasave lang yan. Actually guys, yan, dinirect ko yan lahat sa my YouTube channel ko. So, dito ay pupunta na tayo sa create a broadcast. So, mayroong blue button dito. Just click. Then, mayroong two option, new broadcast at use pre-recorded video. Kasi itong use pre-recorded video, bago lang yan. But I think that it's, you need to upgrade at mamibabayaran ka na. So, we will use the free one. So, we will use new broadcast. Press lang natin. Then, dito sa broadcast 2, pwede mo siyang i-direct sa live stream mo kung saan ka magla-live. It's either sa YouTube, sa Facebook, or saan mo gusto na apps. So, dito skip ko lang. Yan, dahil for tutorial lang siya. Then, yung title, mamimili ka, of course, yung caption mo dapat, ano siya, yung maganda para pag nag-live ka, yung mga audience mo is papasok sa iyong live stream. So, lalagay ko dito is Streamyard tutorial. So, Streamyard tutorial. Ayan. Then, create a broadcast. Yan. Now, we are entering a broadcast studio. So, ayan guys, ang ating tutorial for today. I hope na may natutunan kayo sa ating tutorial for Streamyard para magamit ninyo sa inyong live stream. So guys, may trick dyan para hindi kayo magbayad ng subscription sa kanila. So what are you going to do is, kapag na-achieve ninyo yung 20 hours ng live stream, nagamit nyo na siya, then you need to pay for them para continuous. But there is a trick. What are you going to do is you need to create another account, or if you have another email, Gmail, you can use it again. Then you will have another 20 hours for free. Then the email that you used before that already you consume 20 hours, you need to wait like 1 month bago ma-use mo ulit yung email na yon. So that is the trick guys. You can use another email, Gmail, para continuous yung paggamit ninyo ng Streamyard without paying to them or without paying subscription from them, para continuous guys. So I hope may natutunan kayo sa tutorial na ito. Kung ikaw ay bago lang sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button below para updated ka sa mga bagong videos ko. Thank you for watching guys for today's video. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you guys, and I would like to shout out Dynamics team and FBI, Team Rider, at saka lahat ng mga teams na nandyan sa baba ngayon, and Jobables. Ayan, maraming salamat sa lahat ng inyong mga support. Thank you! See you in my next video!